Hello everybody, this is Aman. Welcome back to our channel, Aman Stream USA. So in this video, what are we going to talk about? We are going to talk about back vlogs. So a lot of people ask me, what if we have a backlog in our degree? So what is a backlog? Backlog is an exam that you could not clear on a first attempt. So your institution or your university, they give you a certificate showing that you have a backlog. Sometimes they don't give you a certificate, so don't worry about that. So the question is, can you come to the US if you have backlogs? Okay, yes, you can come to the US if you have backlogs, but there is a limit. Like, you cannot have like 10 or 20 backlogs and come to the USA. You can if you're lucky enough to get accepted to a university, but most of the universities, they look for students who do not have any backlogs. But I will tell you one trick, one strategy that you can use if you have backlog and you can still get accepted to a well-reputed university. So let me tell you how you can get accepted to a well-reputed university with backlogs. So what you need to do, listen to this very carefully. If you have backlogs, you can work on three things. First thing, you can get a good GRE score, or whichever exam you are taking. If you are taking SAT or if you are taking TOEFL or IELTS, get good score in that. And the second thing, they look at your extracurricular activities. Are you in sports? Are you in any research? They look at your internship, or your work experience. They look at that. So, and the third thing, the most important thing I want to tell you, write a statement of purpose letter explaining them why you have backlogs, why you could not clear the exam on first attempt. Explain to them in the letter. It's a letter statement of purpose in which you write about yourself, about your goals, your plans, your background. In that letter, you can explain to the university why you have backlogs. Even you can get accepted to the Stanford or Harvard University. Sorry, that university is so reputed that I cannot even pronounce its name. Harvard. Yeah, Harvard. You can get accepted to Harvard University also. But you just need to explain to them in the statement of purpose letter that why you had backlogs. It could be anything. It could be that you got sick, you had some family problem going on, or something happened in life. Things happen every day in life. So you can explain to them in the statement of purpose letter. So, and let me tell you, this American university, they understand your situation. They will understand that, okay, this student was struggling at that time, but he still kept going with his education. He did not quit. They will appreciate that. So do these three things. Get good scores in your exams. I'm talking about the GRE, IELTS, TOEFL or SAT exam, or GMAT, whatever exam you're taking to get accepted. And second thing, be good in extracurricular activities, sports, painting, art, anything, internship, certification, work experience. Show that to them. Third, statement of purpose letter. Explain to them. Explain why you have backlogs. That's the best thing you can do to get accepted to a well-reputed university. And same thing you can do in the visa interview. But usually they don't ask about your backlogs in the visa interview for US. But if they ask about your visa interview, like if they ask you during the visa interview why you have backlogs, you can explain to them, like, this is what happened to me when I was taking my exams, during the exams. Like, this is the situation, like something happened and I could not study well. They will understand that. They will understand your honesty. They will appreciate that. So now you know when you have backlogs what to do, how to come to USA with backlogs. If you need any other help, like with the statement of purpose letter, you need any kind of help writing the letter or about the exams, or if you want to know the universities that can accept you with backlogs, I can give you some good names of the universities. You can just what you have to do, just contact me on Instagram. Yeah, I'm always active on Instagram. I like a lot of people from YouTube, my YouTube family, they always come and talk to me on Instagram. They ask their questions. And recently, just last month, like 10 students, they got their student visas, and they were really nice. After their visa interview, they came and they texted me on Instagram. They were like being thankful, and I was really happy about it, because when I really get to help you guys, seriously, that's the most rewarding thing I could do. That really makes me happy. when my YouTube family, my friends, they come to USA to study. That's what we want. That's why if you have any question about anything, contact me on Instagram. I will leave a link on the description, or I will also leave my username on the screen. You don't have to follow me if you don't want. I'm not here to gain followers. So just text me on Instagram and we will talk about it. Okay? Again, you got this. You can do it. Coming to USA, it's not that hard. You just need to be guided in the right direction. Okay? So just don't change your plan. If you want to come to USA, you can come to USA. Yes. My goal was to come to USA or go nowhere. If I wouldn't get visa, then I would not go anywhere. I would not go to Canada or Australia. I would just stay in my country, India. But I got visa luckily, so that's it. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, you already know what to do. Contact me on Instagram. Yes. So if you have any suggestions about what kind of videos you want to see, leave that in comment. And thank you to Akash. He was the one who commented on below my video that he wanted to see video about backlogs. So here it is for you guys. And this is it. If you think this video was helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because that will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you will be the first one to get the notification about the video. And like this video if it was helpful. This is it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, good night, good evening, wherever you are, whenever you are watching this video. Bye.